Mr. Smith. The roof is leaking. When you gonna fix it? Hey, landlord, this is Mrs. Jones. The tub's not draining. When you gonna fix it?
My heat's gone out.
I got holes in my fences.
The fridge just died.
Tell me when you're gonna fix it.
When you gonna fix it? Realty Management Associates, making everything right at home.
If you own rentals or you're thinking about buying rental property, believe it or not, it is possible to be a rental owner and still have a life. If you're tired of your phone ringing with complaints from tenants, if you're tired of chasing down rent checks, call Realty Management Associates at 377-8889 and learn how to protect your investment and get your life back. Call 377-8889.
Realty Management Associates, making everything right at home.